Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Windows 10/11 or recent Mac OS and at least 8 GB RAM. This prevents performance drops during real-time processing. Once done, create your Voice.ai account and verify your email so keys and profiles unlock. Next, download the official installer and run it as admin. Make sure to disable any apps that monopolize audio devices. Grant microphone permissions when prompted. This step is essential because the app needs direct input to transform your voice in low latency. You now configure audio routing so Voice.ai sits between your mic and applications. First, choose the Voice.ai virtual mic as the system output inside the app. This creates the routed device other programs can use. Then set your physical microphone as the input and route the app output to your headphones or DAW. Make sure to set buffer size and sample rate, 48 kHz, and a small buffer reduce latency while preventing dropouts. Once these are set, test with a short recording to confirm levels and routing. You finish by creating a usable profile and validating it in real scenarios. Load or craft a voice profile, then tweak format, pitch, ec, and presence so the result sounds natural for your use case. If you use VSDs or effects, enable them now and save the preset so you don't lose iterative tweaks. Finally, test the Voice.ai virtual mic inside target apps like Discord or OBS, confirm latency and clarity, and export the profile for backup. Tip: if audio glitches persist, lower sample rate or increase buffer size to stabilize performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.